Guide to setting up automation for box phone in GenFarmer. For this demo, I will run a script to change the device language. For example, the current language is English. I will go to the automation section and select the language change script. These are the steps required for setup. First, name the script, then select the devices to apply it to. I will select all devices. After setup, click Save and Run. The devices will automatically execute the language change process. Checking the first few devices, all have successfully switched to Vietnamese. Contacts, gallery, and other menus are now correctly displayed in Vietnamese. GenFarmer supports automatic time synchronization, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. Go to the GenFarmer store, search for the automatic time sync script, and download it. After downloading, select the devices you want to apply it to and click Save. The devices will sync their time with the computer. The system time on all devices will be automatically updated according to the computer's time. Next, a guide on switching Wi-Fi networks. Go to the GenFarmer store, search for automatic Wi-Fi connection, and download the script. For example, I will connect to a Wi-Fi network named Reno 4. If the Wi-Fi does not require a password, simply enter the name. Remove old Wi-Fi networks, then enter the new Wi-Fi details. Click Save, then start to let the devices connect automatically. The software will scan and precisely connect to the specified Wi-Fi network, ensuring no misconnection.